Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we are going to talk about a very good job opportunity that has came in Amdocs. It is an Israel-based multinational company. You might have heard about this company. It is a very big company, and I will tell you in the advance only that 2021 batch of B Tech, ME, M Tech are eligible, and MCA are also eligible. And it is basically of software engineer role. I am going to talk about everything. No need to worry about that. Just keep watching this video. If you are from any other software and any other qualification, you can say what you can do. You can just go in the comment section. You can comment down that whichever degree you are doing, whichever graduation you are doing, it will be easy for me so that I can make more videos for you all. So whichever comment I get more, I will make a video. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about everything like how to apply, what is the process of application, so that it will be easy for you to replicate whatever issues you are facing, whatever the things you are not able to understand. I will be telling you because अगर कोई कॉलेज ग्रेजुएट होता है या बहुत बार नहीं समझ में आते, कई स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं दैट वी आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, सो वी टेक हेल्प ऑफ द यूट्यूब. So we are coming up with these kind of updates, we are coming up with these kind of videos that will help you in future, and in the college days as a fresher it will definitely help you. So you can like this video and go in the comment section and comment down that you like this video, or you can subscribe to the channel for more kind of this video. So let's go to the screen. Let's see what is the process of application, what is the job about. So as you can see on the screen, this is the basic site of Amdocs. As you can see, it is a very beautiful site of Amdocs, and when you will go down, when you will scroll down, you will see the designation. The designation is software engineer associate. That is software engineer associate for Pune location. Pune and Gurgaon location, the two locations you will be given if you get selected in this company, and it is a very good company to start a career with. So it is for the 2021 batch, as I have already told, and if you are a software engineer, if you are engineering graduate, you can apply. So when you will scroll down, you will see here the eligibility criteria. Basically I will be telling about all the points. I have already told many points, so I will tell you again these points. The 2021 batch is eligible, that is B Tech, ME, M Tech, and CS of CS, IT, EC, and EE and TC, that is electronics and telecommunication. So and MCA, if you are from MCA also you can apply. You have to be like 60% minimum criteria hai that you have to be this, and no breaks, like there is no breaks, there is no backlogs. These all things you need not to have, because it is a company that is demanding these things, so you need to fulfill that. ऐसे मत पूछना कि हाँ 20 पास आउट हो तब अप्लाई कर सकते हो, नहीं कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी गिवन है दैट ओनली 21 पास आउट्स ऑफ एलिजिबल. एक्सीलेंट कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, दैट इज़ वेरी कॉमन इन एवरी जॉब. इट आस्क कि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स बहुत ज़रूरी हैं, एंड आई tell in every video that communication skills are very common thing. Then job profile, that is you can get your job profile according to you will get a training, common training मिलेगी. उसके बाद आपके performance, that performance you will be the performance you give in your training period, according to that you will get development, testing, managed services, and dev support. That is up to you. Whatever the performance you will be doing, you will get that. Then location, as already told, the locations are Gurgaon and Pune. That is it. Then you can like read about that who we are, that is about the company. Then what is the roles, what will be the job. The job is all about the software maintenance, software debugging, software development, software design. It is all about the technical role of software engineering. Then you can see here you will be work as a team, within a team, collaborate and add the contributions. You have to give the contributions to the company, whatever the company is asking. If they are achieving, they are giving some goals, or they are having some projects, you have to complete those projects in time. You are working in a team, you have to collaborate with the teammates, and you have to complete that project. Then you will be encouraged to actively look to the innovations, continuous improvements, and efficiently all the assigned tasks. You have to complete all the things. Then why you love this job, you will be challenged to the design, new supports, new technologies will be introduced to you. So what are the perks and benefits you will be getting? The perks and benefits I will show you. It is written here, the perks and benefits, that you treat yourself as a generous holiday gifts from the Amdocs. You will get the holidays gifts from the Amdocs. Enjoy your generous paid paternal leaves. If you have a paternal leaves, you will be getting paid leaves. Then the insurance you will be getting. Then what we say, take paid time off to the volunteer. Then enjoy the wide range of fun activities with your family. Access the tons of complimentary learning, that will be a site will be given to you. In that you have to learn from complimentary things that will be free of cost. Then how to apply, you have to go to the top of the page. On the top of the page there is a button of apply now. There is a button, I have to tap on that button. When I will tap on that button, a page will come in front of me where I have to apply. So I will show you. This is the basic page where you need to apply. If you have account, so it will take some time according to your net issues. If there is a issue of net, you can sign in if you have account. If you don't have account, then what you need to do, you need to just go on this button, that is create an account, and you have to tap on that, and a page will come where you need to create an account. As you can see here that create account, एक account बनाना है. जब account बना लेते हो उसके बाद एक पेज आएगा जहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो. बहुत ही नॉर्मल सा प्रोसेस है जो सारे ही प्रोसेस में होता है. पासवर्ड का ध्यान रखना है कि पासवर्ड, ये सारे क्राइटेरियाज जो हैं, ये सारे क्राइटेरियाज यू हैव टू फिगर आउट ऑल द क्राइटेरियाज ऑफ फिल ऑल द क्राइटेरियाज. अपर केस होना चाहिए, लोअर केस होना चाहिए, स्पेशल कैरेक्टर होना चाहिए. सो यू नीड टू फिल ऑल दैट. सो इफ यू फेस एनी इशू when you will sign in here, एक साइन इन करना है क्रिएट अकाउंट के बाद. उसके बाद क्या करना है आपको, एक मेल आएगा जिसके आप रजिस्टर करना है, रजिस्टर कर दोगे. उसके बाद क्या करना है आपको, अ पेज विल कम वेयर यू नीड टू फिल द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. दैट इज इट. एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भर दोगे. इफ यू फेस एनी इशू इन फिलिंग द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, जस्ट कमेंट डाउन, आई विल हेल्प यू, और एनीवन हु हैज फिल्ड द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू. और इसका टेस्ट भी होगा, सो आप भर सकते हो इसको. बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव, बहुत सही कंपनी है. इट इज अप टू यू कि आपको कैसे करना है. ठीक है, तो दैट इज इट. सो इन दिस वीडियो वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट एवरीथिंग, लाइक हाउ टू अप्लाई, व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ एप्लीकेशन. वी हैव talked about everything. If you face any issue, any doubts, any issue, you can just comment down. I will try to help you because of the comments, more number of comments. I am not able to help everyone, but I will help the most common queries, or I will make a video or a shorts or a story, anything that will help you definitely. So this was all about a video. If you face any issue, just comment down, I will help you. And if you want more videos like this, just comment down you want more videos. If you want several videos, कोई भी वीडियो चाहिए आप comment down करो, वैसी वीडियोस आ जाएंगी. Just you need to hit that like button, go down and subscribe to our channel. That will be helpful for me. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा मेरे को कि हाँ आपने लाइक किया है, सब्सक्राइब किया है, सपोर्ट किया चैनल को. So this is it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't seen my vlog channel, you can go in the description. You will find with the link of the vlog channel. So this was all. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.